Hyde Park in Chicago. It's fall time. There's a place there called Promontory Point. Super dope park, surrounded by trees, a lot of good foliage there. Right now it's peak season. It's like the last weekend I think there's gonna be some good colors here in Chicago. So after that, it's all gonna start dying out. So hopefully we can get the last bit of amazing drone footage there and see what we see. Most of the trees still got their leaves on them. So I feel like we're gonna get some good views. Beautiful day out. I love the fall, man. I think it's better than the summer, to be honest. Everybody's always talking about summertime shy. Don't get me wrong, it's fire. It's fire, you know? But man, crispy days like this, there's not a bunch of people out, but still enough out here enjoying the weather. You know, you just wear a hoodie, enjoy all the colors. This is crazy. Before it gets too cold, this is the best. Fall time shot, much better. Highly recommend. So let's fire it up. Let's do what we came to do. You know what I mean? I keep on looking for something.